Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to connect WordPress to GitHub. Alright, let's begin. First, log into your WordPress account as an administrator at wordpress.com. Once logged in, look at the left-hand sidebar and find the plugins option. Hover over it and you'll see two options, add new and installed plugins. The installed plugins section shows tools and plugins already installed on your WordPress account. For this setup, we are interested in adding a new plugin, so click on Add New. This will take you to a page listing all compatible plugins and tools available for integration with WordPress. If GitHub isn't immediately visible, use the search box. Type GitHub and press Enter. You'll see a variety of GitHub-related plugins. I recommend using GitHub Code Viewer as it includes essential features for integration. Click on the plugin, then click Install and Activate. After activation, you'll be directed to the integration page. Here, you'll configure the plugin by clicking on Settings. Enter your GitHub username and personal access token to authenticate and import relevant data from GitHub into WordPress. That's all you need to do to integrate GitHub with WordPress. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.